our second chapter, force and laws of motion, was going on. So, in this video, we will discuss about what is force and effects of forces. And from the effect of forces only you will get the definition of what is force. Although you have read what is force in class 8, and again in class 9 in details you will read about what is force. So let me see. What it is written, that effects of forces. First effect is what? Force can move a body lying at rest. Let me take one example. Suppose any body which is in the position of the rest and somebody came and pushed it, then what will happen? The body will start moving. Okay. Now let us see one example. See, in this picture, initially the body was in the position of the rest, and somebody, by the application of the force, the body start moving. Next, number 2. Force can stop a moving body. Suppose anybody is at the position of the motion. It is coming at a speed and somebody pushed it. Then it may become at the position of the rest also, or position of the rest, or its direction may also be changed. So suppose any of your friend is coming at a very high speed and you catch him. You applied force on him. Then he will become stop. See, here is one example. In this example, the body was moving and somebody applied force on it and the body become rest. Next, force can change the speed of a moving body. Force can also change the speed of a moving body. Suppose something is having a high speed. By applying the force, we can change its speed from a higher speed to a lower speed, or from a lower speed to higher speed also. Next, force can change the direction of a moving body. Of course, suppose somebody ball in football, in cricket match, you have seen that somebody is bowling, and another person who is batting, whenever he applying the force on that ball, it again returns to the same direction. Means it's suppose it was coming to the north, then suppose it was coming to the east or west. So by application of the force, it may go to the in any direction it can go. That means force can change the direction of a moving body. Now let me come to the number 5. Number 5. Force can change shape and size of the object. Obviously, force can change the shape and size of the object. Suppose there is some mud and you have applied force on it, then the mud will change into another shape. And the potters also use the force on that soil or the mud, and he make it different shape. Okay. Next, body. How force can rotate a body? Suppose you are applying force on a wheel, then the wheel will start rotate. See the example. Here it is a wheel and somebody applied force on it, and it's the body start to move. So by combining all the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6, these 6 points, we can get the definition of force. What is force? See what it is written. So we can say that force is a physical cause. What is force? Force is a cause which changes or tries to change. In some cases, it tries to change, means it applies force, but the body does not move. That's why it is said that it changes or tries to change the state of motion, rest, speed, direction, and shape and size of an object. So Hope this definition is clear to you, because already you are familiar with this definition. So what is force? Force is a physical cause. You have to say that force is the physical cause which changes or tries to change. What they can change, that is the state of motion or rest. Speed. Speed means its velocity may be increase or decrease, and direction, that you have seen in the example, and shape and size of an object. Okay. So thank you very much. In our next videos, we will see the next topics. So bye bye for now.